Hey there, and welcome back to a new video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. Want to send your form entries to Pipedrive? With Gravity Forms and Zapier, you can create your own custom forms that feed information from your WordPress site into the Pipedrive CRM. Let's jump in and take a look at how to set everything up. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need to make sure you have a Pipedrive CRM account, Gravity Forms and the Zapier add-on installed, and a Zapier account. You'll also want to ensure you have a form that you'd like to use to send data to Pipedrive. For this example, I'm going to use a request a quote form. In order to connect your form to Pipedrive and Zapier, you need to enable the Gravity Forms built-in REST API. To do this, head to your Gravity Forms settings and select the REST API tab. Check the box to enable access to the API, and then, under the authentication settings for API version 2, click Add Key. Give the key an appropriate description and ensure the user is set to the WordPress admin account, then set the permissions to read-write. Click Add and you'll be given a consumer key and consumer secret. Copy these keys down and store them in a safe location. They won't be accessible after you close this screen. Click Update to save your changes, then follow the link in the description to head to your Zapier account to connect Gravity Forms with Pipedrive. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a pre-made Zap to create a new Pipedrive lead when someone submits my request a quote form. I'll select Form Submission as the trigger and Create Lead as the action. Then I'll click Connect these apps. Next, I'll click the Gravity Forms step and select Sign In. From here, I can enter my site URL, consumer key, and consumer secret to connect my Gravity Forms and Zapier accounts. Once your accounts are connected, you'll want to select the form you'd like to use to send data to Pipedrive. Then enter a unique name for this step and select Continue. You'll then be given the option to test this trigger to ensure it's set up properly. After you've tested your trigger, click Continue with selected record. You'll then be taken to the second step of your Zap, where you can follow similar steps as before to connect your Zapier account with your Pipedrive account. Once you've connected Zapier with Pipedrive, select Continue. You'll then be ready to configure the data that Zapier will send from Gravity Forms to Pipedrive. At a minimum, you'll want to configure the form data that will be stored as the title of your lead in Pipedrive, as well as the organization. If you don't have an organization set up for your business, you can simply add one from within your Pipedrive account. Once you've configured this step, select Continue and then test your step. And after you've successfully tested your step, select Publish and you're good to go. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content on all things WordPress. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.